Hello, welcome to Zoom and Groom Receptionist Training. I'm going to show you a quick tour around so that you can see how to navigate each of the various tabs. Under the Orientation tab, you will see a presentation that will show you Zoom and Groom's history and also will discuss your benefits. Once finished there, head on over to Digital and Manual Filing System. Here you will learn about the different filing systems, and also there is a quiz in this tutorial, so please pay attention. Once you finish there, head on over to Administrative Duties tab, where you will learn how to accept different payments and also how to schedule an appointment. Once you finish there, go to How to Answer a Phone Professionally tab. In this video, you will learn one of the most important skills as a receptionist. Finally, click on the Discussion tab. Here you will answer one question. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and I hope you enjoyed this training.